Hey guys, how are you doing? Today I am making a vise for my drill press. The wood for this project cost me nothing because I'm using leftover scrap pieces of wood. I started with cutting all of my pieces to the correct height and length on my table saw. Don't be like me and use a blade guard when using a table saw. When that was done, I measured all of the pieces and I cut some of the pieces to their final shape. This piece has a crack on the side, so I'm filling that up with a combination of sawdust and wood glue. I had never used this method before, but it turned out great. Right now I am clamping that down to make sure that the wood remains its strength while the wood glue dries. So let's work on the end piece of the vise. I'm cutting off some material of the piece I'm gonna use, so I don't have to plane off so much later on. After working on the stop block for a pretty long time with a chisel, a file and a planer, I got the result I was looking for. I'm gonna use this piece of wood for the handle. I did most of the shaping for the handle with my hand plane. The idea was to glue a bolt into a hole inside the handle, which you see me doing right here. I'm trying to find the correct place to drill a hole for the bolt to fit through. And that is where my battery died. I think the end result is pretty good, which you can see right here. Like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.